Hello everyone, so we're going to solve this problem, replace words, LeetCode 648. So what is happening in this question is simply there is one dictionary is given to us which has certain strings, okay, in an array, and then we have one sentence. So this like this sentence we are given, the kettle was rattled by the battery. So what we have to do is basically for every word in this sentence, we have to check whether is there something which is already available in this dictionary starting from the zero index. So for example, take the THE not available at all. So we will not replace this THE. So in answer, THE would be kept as it is. So next is cattle. Okay, so see here, if we check for cattle, we can find CAT is available. Cattle and CAT is the prefix of this cattle, right? So we have to replace this cattle by CAT, cat. Similarly for was, nothing is available. So we have to keep it as it is and come to rattled. So rattled, so we have RAT, which is prefix of this rattled, right? So we have to replace rattled by the rat. Now come to buy. So buy is not available. So at all we have to cap it as TH is also not available. But look at for battery. For battery we have the BAT. BAT is available. So finally our answer would be with the replaced string. The cat was read by the bat. This is only thing what we have to do. So how would we solve this problem is basically, first of all, we will store the dictionary values into a trie. Okay. And then after storing the values into a trie, so you might have a question, why trie? Because trie is an efficient way of search of the strings. Okay. So that is why we are choosing trie here. And then we will search for all these words in the sentence, whether they have some prefix, basically starting from 0 to some index, if it is available or not. So keep in mind, we have to take only the smallest one, smallest prefix only, if there are multiple. So let's first me write a class for trie, then we will visualize it. So class trie, let's say, so it would have two variable, boolean is end. So this variable will take if there is a end of the string, okay, and if end of any word, then is end would be true, otherwise it would be false. And then we would have one integer, one array of trie. Okay, this trie would be, we can call it children. Okay, so we would have one array as well, trie children, which will park the values of the character. Okay, so we will visualize, don't worry about the trie if you don't know public trie. So what we will have in here is like is end by default we are taking as false. Okay, and then we have this children. So children, we will cap new trie of size 26 because we have all the characters in small only. Okay, so this is my trie class. Now we will show how this would be stored. So see here, you can visualize the trie class like this. So we have we are starting with the, so is end. This is boolean variable which is initially false, and this is our trie t, which has 26 character 26 size array of trie data type. So first of all, let's say we are storing these dictionary, these are the words in the dictionary, right? So we'll start with the cat. So cat is C is starting, so C would be second location, right? So we will put this into second location. So this A0 is A, this is B, and this is C. So C would be coming here, right? So we will C. So C is done here, and it is not end. So is end equal to false because C is just starting. Then we have A. Okay, so A should be, let's say we are starting. So A, this would be its direction of its children array. So this is our 0. So A would be here, right? So A would be stored here. Okay, and this also not the end of this character. So this is end would be still false. Okay, now what is next? Next is T. So we will go for T. So from A we have to have the T. Let's say T is somewhere here. So this would be indicating like this. Okay, now finally this T is the end of it. So this T would be indicating to this guy like this. This is null array, it doesn't have any value, and here this is end equal to basically true. Okay, so this is end would be true here. So now what we can say, at here at this location, this is the end of end of this character. So CAT is stored like this. Similarly, we will go to others as well. So let's say now we want to store RAT. So we will start here only. So let's say R would be somewhere here. Okay. Then from R we have to have a. So let's say this is our A. Okay. So we have to have like this a relation. So RAT. So this is end will also false only because this is also not the end. Then we have T. So from A to T we can have something like this, and somewhere let's say T is somewhere here. So we have stored the rat as well. Now it would be true because this is basically the end of this word. So rat we have stored, and it would be finally end indicate to this null thing. Okay. Now similarly we can store the BAT also. We will start for the same trie. So B would be somewhere here, it would be B here. Now from this B we have the A. So this B, it would be going to somewhere here, and here we can store the A. So BA, okay, BA, and this also our false only. And from A we have T. So let's say T is going somewhere here. This would be T, and this is true basically because this is the end of it. So we have to have the is end equal to true here, and this is finally indicating to this null values. So this is the way to store the values in the trie. Now we will do the further thing in our question, that after storing we have to check for that sentence, right? So let me explain that as well. So see, this is our sentence, right? And this is where we have stored our dictionary. So we will start with THE. Okay, so see here, we will start from here. So T is not available at all. So T will not be changed. This is kept as it is. Okay, then we have cattle. Okay, so we will start. So C is available. Yeah, C is available. So C is done. The next word is A. So A is available. Yes, A is also available. Then we have next word is T. So from A we have T also. So T is also available. But here this is true. Okay. So basically this is end equal to true. That means CAT is the prefix that we have found. So CAT would be replaced. So this cattle would be replaced by the CAT in the answer. Now we'll go to was. Was is W is not available at all. So we will go ahead. Now we have battle. So B is there. B is there. Okay, so B are done. Then we have to go to A. So from B we have A. So yeah, A is also there and it is false. That means we have to continue. Then we have T. So from A we have T also available, but T is true now. True means end of the string. So here BAT is available. So what we can do is battle would be replaced by the BAT. Now we'll go to BY. BY is not available because B is available, but from B there is no Y available at all. Right? See here, there is no Y available. So what happened? Y will also not replaced by anything. THE would be same, was would be same, but battle would be replaced by BAT. Then we have THE. So again THE we already found, so this also will not be replaced. Now we have battery. So B is there. From B we are coming to A, which is false. Then we have to continue. So next is T. So T is also available, BAT, but T is true now. So we have to stop now. So BAT. So battery would be replaced by BAT. So what would be our final answer? So this would be our final answer. The cattle. So cattle, cat. The cat was as it is. Battled is bat. By the battery is now bat. So this is our final answer. We will write the code of it quickly. Okay. So I'll explain. So see here, this is class trie, right? So now what I'm doing basically, first of all, I'm writing one insert method where we can store the dictionary into the trie. So see here, this is the insert method. This is void method. So it is taking string as input and storing in the trie T. Okay. So what we're gonna do is basically we are traversing through that string and getting the character, whatever character we are traversing right now. So we will check that if that character is equal to null, that means we have to create the new value and store it in that children, just like we stored in CAT and all, right? And then we have to traverse further. So char equal to current to children of X. So whatever value we have got, we have to come to that first value, and then we will keep continue it. And when we are coming out of this string entirely, then we have to set it true, because at the end we are reached till the end, so we have to make is end equal to true. So this is our insert method to try. Okay, then we are writing another method, search and replace. So this is the method when we will traverse through the sentence, this sentence, the kettle was rattled by the battery. So what we're gonna do here is we are taking the string. Okay, so like this we are start with THE, then we start with the kettle, and also we are taking basically one string and try to search it and what is the prefix which is available there. So see here I'm traversing through this string, and then what I'm doing here is first of all I'm checking that if for any character X, if it is null means it is not available at all. That means the string there is no availability at all. So what we have to do is basically we have to return same string just like we did, right? In this case THE we returned same as it is because THE was not available. See, T is not available at all, that is why we returned it. So same here, so for that reason I am doing if it is null then we have to return as it is the entire string, otherwise we will keep continue like this. So we will keep and go to the X value whatever we found. So if it is end, okay, so whenever we are reaching till the end, basically we have to find the substring starting from 0 to I. So basically we have to take I plus 1 extra to get the substring, especially in Java. For that reason I have taken it I plus 1, and then finally what we are doing is I am returning this string. Okay, so now I would be use these two methods to solve our problem. So see here I am storing the values of the dictionary to the try, and then finally I'm making this split of this this sentence. So basically I'm taking only the words. So I'm on the space, I am splitting it, so all the words would be there in this array. And then what I'm doing, I'm traversing through this array and I'm using this search method, search replace method, which will bring us the smallest prefix. Okay, and then I'm replacing that word. So in this case, for example, when we had that rattled, right? So rattled would be written RAT. So same location I'm replacing it with that whatever value we have got. So after doing that, what I'm gonna do is just replacing those values with the space, and then I'm returning this as a string. So let me execute it. It is working fine. See, the kettle was rattled by the battery, the cat was rattled by the bat. This was expectation. So let me submit it. It is working fine, 99.24% faster. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any concern, you can definitely make a comment over there. And for those who are newcomer, who don't have experience with the try, they can definitely do some dry run on their paper, right? Pen and paper, and do some dry run, play around it, so that make you a better understanding. And thank you for watching the video.